Hey everybody, it's Mayor John Huffman and welcome to this week's Minute with the Mayor. And hey, this week I am indoors in my bedroom next to the fire, like I hope most of you are, because we are at the very tail end of this winter storm. And let me tell you, Southlake was frozen this week. So today I wanted to take a minute and just give a shout out to the amazing city staffers who worked so hard around the clock to keep our citizens safe and informed throughout this winter storm. You know, the public works team, as usual, did a ton of the heavy lifting. They went out with snow plows, plowed over 20 miles of Southlake roads. We put out over 36 tons of sand, and they were there running shifts at the public works facility, sometimes overnight, to make sure that when you guys hit the roads, if you had to hit the roads, it was safe and it was sanded. And I think they just did an absolutely phenomenal job. Police and fire were working around the clock and making sure that they were ready as well and responded to all kinds of different wrecks that happened. So during the course of the week, we had over 79 fire personnel, 37 police officers, 41 public works employees, and dozens of other personnel working behind the scenes to support our first responders. So the community service team was amazing as well. With Councilmember Kathy Talley, they made over 500 calls to Southlake seniors to make sure that they were doing okay. And as always, the communications team was working very hard to keep us all informed with over 60 social media posts, not only about updates of the weather, but also helpful tips and suggestions of what we can all do while we're iced in on Tuesday and Wednesday. So thank you to the employees of the city of Southlake for working so hard to keep us safe, to keep our roads clear, and to keep us informed as we face that storm with our families. Well, that's all for this week's Minute with the Mayor. If you see a city staffer around town this week, tell them thank you for all their hard work. We'll see you guys next week.